Oh Lord. Yeah, man. Yeah, we are with that Bull Abdul. Abdul has been here since 1971. This is Melodica Music Store. My father used to buy records here. So right now, we just came here to convert African Heritage Band into MP3. You can see the process is still taking place. Man, this is what Alan Donovan gave me and told me to do it. You know, so I'm doing it right now out of the respect of Alan Donovan. Yeah. Oh, wow. Man, I'm excited, man. Hey. Wow.
Cut the beginning.